Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, regular classes at the ICFAI University, Jharkhand had to be suspended since third week of March 2020. Because of the lockdown restrictions and physical distancing norms, students could not move about freely. Since the number of COVID-19 positive cases has been rising, with no signs of abatement, future has been looking uncertain. Consequently, most of the students have been feeling uncertain about their future and have been feeling isolated, though they have been staying with their parents. Understanding the situation, the ICFAI University Jharkhand formulated a multi-pronged strategy to address the underlying issues. Key objectives of the strategy are to ensure continuity of learning of the students and divert their attention from negative zone to a positive zone so that they are distressed. So, to help the students continue their studies by staying safely at home, the university had taken the initiative of launching an online digital learning platform, Swadhyay. Highlights of Swadhyay. Our faculty team uploaded 2,228 items of digital study material for last even semester onto Swadhyay, covering 19 program batches, classes and 164 courses. It includes 1,993 PPTs, 152 video lectures and 83 links to additional reading material, and many more. Interactive video classes. The university also arranged interactive classes through interactive video sessions for all the courses or AMP programs. All the video sessions were recorded or AMP uploaded on the portal so that the students can access again at their convenience.
Okay.
In order to assess how much the students are studying or AMP understanding, several online tests were conducted by the university. Moving towards Swadhyay 2. Outcome-based education. Online sessions will be more engaging and interactive using digital tools. Integrating Swayam courses in the pedagogy. Blended learning approach, flipped classrooms. Both offline and online teaching learning. Short-term projects for the students in industry. Tied up with IIT Delhi for virtual labs enabling conduct of experiments from home for the engineering and its students. Trained our faculty members. Tools to make session interactive. Screencastify, Screencast-O-Matic, OBS, Mentimeter, Answer Garden, Quizzes, Testmos, Google Forms Quiz, Zoom Poll, Online FDP conducted by the ICFAI University Jharkhand. Digital academic delivery, how to use digital tools to engage the students interestingly. Outcome-based education, how to write research articles. Webinars conducted by Harvard Business School on digital teaching learning. Virtual labs by IIT Delhi. Started implementing this with the coursework for PhD in Management 2020 batch.
I am Shubhanand De, PhD program at ICFAI University Jharkhand, and I have got finally selected for the PhD program. Having said so, I have just completed the first coursework also at IUJ, and I must say that this 10 days of experience was just exhilarating. It was superb, and I would like to thank all the faculty members who are actually responsible for making these 10 days learning with fun.
Doubts and all the problems which we faced were cleared during the entire session. The way in which the coursework was conducted was simply superb and brilliant. I look forward to my days in IUJ Jharkhand.
Article is there in the Elsevier and Mendeley library. Those articles are being shown. It is loading more results. You will get multiple results. Multiple. This is the second most advantage is you can directly go to this literature search. You can type on the keyword here, search any article which will be coming. Say for example, this is an article which came, and you click on this, right? If you click on this, you are getting these details. You find, okay, this is important. What you will do, you will...
During the COVID-19 times, it's not possible to conduct face-to-face classes in the university. In order to ensure continuity of education despite COVID-19 pandemic, ICFAI University Jharkhand has come up with an innovative academic delivery system using flipped classroom model. Our university designed digital learning management system called Swadhyay, wherein digital study material like PPTs, video lectures, assignments, etc. are prepared by our faculty members using outcomes-based education framework and are uploaded onto Swadhyay. Students go through the course material at their convenience but before attending the online classes. Our faculty members use the online classes for interactive discussions with our students.
Happy to tell you that our university has come up with this idea of Swadhyay portal. I have used the portal, I have downloaded lectures and materials and also appeared for the exam. It really is very helpful.
Our university has implemented online learning through Swadhyay. Regular classes are suspended, and through this online learning, teachers are able to send us PPT, video, link, and through the quizzes we can test our knowledge, which are very helpful for continuation of our study. I am very thankful to our university for such an initiative.
I'm really grateful to the university that has helped me to get through the campus placement of teleperformance. I'm also thankful to the university that is helping us to keep in pace with the syllabus through the online Swadhyay portal. My heartfelt thanks to all those faculty who has helped me to earn during this COVID period by guiding me how to become a freelance writer.
Me to do internship from L&T company, but due to COVID-19, my college is allowing me to do internship from home. So I'm thankful to faculty guide, university, and training and placement department for providing me an opportunity to do internship from very reputed L&T company. Thank you.
I'm really grateful to my university for giving me an opportunity to complete my internship at Dalmia Cement Company.
I got an opportunity to work with Shriram Life Insurance Company because of the efforts of my university in such a situation of COVID-19. I am really grateful to my faculty guide Dr. Pratha Chaturvedi and my company guide Mr. Gaurav Kumar for providing me such a wonderful environment and guidance.
University tied up with IIT Delhi for providing access to virtual labs so that the students can conduct the experiments from home. For the benefit of the students that are unable to attend the online classes due to internet bandwidth challenges, videos of the online classes are uploaded onto Swadhyay portal so that students can go through them at home at their convenience. When we took feedback from the students, they said that Swadhyay is helping them to study the course material at their convenience. They also found the online classes to be interesting and enjoyable. Parents are grateful to ICFA University Jharkhand for ensuring continuity of studies despite the health of the children. Faculty members of the university are happy that they were trained in digital pedagogical skills so that they are equipped to ensure effective learning of the students with joy.